I had the opportunity to explore Saarbrücken, the charming capital of Saarland. There is much to discover in and around Saarbrücken, located in southwestern Germany, known for its picturesque old town, vibrant cultural scene, and rich industrial history. There are also plenty to do on and off the river, including scenic cruises or simply walking or cycling along the pathways. I have experienced the state capital of the Saarland while strolling through the city streets, looking through great shops, discover the diverse restaurants and small cafes in the city center of Saarbrücken. Saarbrücken is a cultural city on the French border of Germany. The city is a combination of French ambience and the culture of the Saarland state of Germany. The Baroque style of architecture is seen in the town through its boutiques, bistros, and alleyways. Continuing my exploration, I arrived at the St. Johanna Markt. Here you can meet or stroll through the picturesque and car-free alleys around the market square or take a break at the Baroque market fountain. This area is considered the heart of the Saarbrücken. The place invites you to linger with the many restaurants and bistros. This inviting square encourages moments of pause to savor its unique atmosphere while providing an ideal opportunity to recharge before embarking on further exciting sightseeing adventures. I finally made my way to the Ludwigskirche. This church stands out as one of Saarbrücken's most striking attractions, representing a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. A few meters away from Ludwigskirche is the Saarbrücken Castle. This magnificent castle, with origins dating back to the 18th century, is not only an impressive architectural gem, but also a vital cultural and historical landmark in the region. The Saarbrücken Castle now serves as the administrative headquarters of the district of Saarbrücken. The exhibition rooms of the Historical Museum Saar are housed in the vaulted cellar and a new annex. Casemates were uncovered during the extensive excavations between 2003 and 2007. These can now be visited as part of the museum. The castle has a garden that attracts for leisurely strolls and relaxation, offering magnificent city views. The best way to go up to the castle is by passing through the old bridge of Saarbrücken. It is considered as the oldest surviving bridge in Saarland. It connects St. Johann and Alt Saarbrücken and is only open to pedestrians and cyclists. The bridge is in the immediate vicinity of Saarbrücken Castle. There you can find picture-perfect area with the gigantic church and the cityscape as the background. I enjoyed watching the passers-by as well as walking freely on the bridge over still waters. As I continued to stroll the city, I finally made myself at the St. Johann Town Hall. Erected in the late 19th century, the St. Johann Town Hall makes a lasting impression with its neo-Baroque architecture and magnificent facade. Elaborate decorations, windows, and the impressive clock tower establish it as one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Overall, Saarbrücken is a vibrant and dynamic city that offers something for everyone. Whether you are interested in history, culture, or industry, you're sure to find plenty to see and do in this charming German city. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!